Hello, in this video I will show you how to pay Hulu TV with a gift card. So it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is simply open Hulu. Now, just simply go to the account page over here and then go to the page where you want to pay something. Like for example, you want to take a plan. Just simply go to the option where you're going to do the billing. Then just simply choose any one of the plan. You can go for the base plan or the bundle plan depending on what you want. Now, once you select that, you will be redirected to the billing option. Over here, you will have few options like cards and PayPal. Now, in order to use the gift card, you will need to choose the card option right over here. Right over here, what you have to do is you have to just simply enter the gift card details right over here and then enter the expiration date, CVV and zip code. Now, in any case, if you're unable to add the card directly over here, what you can do is you can just simply link your gift card to PayPal over here and then use PayPal to check out. The option will be same in both of them. Like for example, if you let's say choose PayPal, make sure to add your gift card in PayPal and then just log into your PayPal account. And then after logging in, just simply complete the transaction in PayPal. You have both the options, choose whatever you want, and that's it. So, if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.